Meaning of Ilkley.
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 Ilkley. Ilkley is a town located in the northern English county of West Yorkshire. The name Ilkley is believed to have originated from the Anglo-Saxon words Ilika and Lea, which mean clearing of the oak trees. The town is known for its picturesque location on the southern edge of the Yorkshire Dales and its spa heritage. Ilkley's High Street has a wide range of shops, restaurants, and cafes, while its surrounding countryside offers opportunities for hiking, cycling, and outdoor activities. The town also hosts a number of cultural events throughout the year, including its famous Ilkley Literature Festival.